Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw small letter alphabets. Blue color, green color, black color, red color, and the last one is yellow color. Kids, first we use black color and now we draw small letter A. The next one is B. Now we draw C. The next one is D. Now we draw E. Kids, the next one is F. Now we draw the letter of G. And the next one is H. Now we draw I. J. K. L. M. N. We again draw A. And the next one is B. And now we draw C. Kids, now we draw D. The next one is E. Now we draw F. The next one is G. G for got. The next one is H. We again draw H. Now we draw I. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. L. M. N. Today we draw small letter alphabets. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.